Hey, Dana, and welcome to Searching For. Sort of behind the scenes because I'm just going to be practicing. I'm not going to be actually searching yet. And it's time to open the. This is a chest caddy for this camera that you're watching me through. So I decided to finally unbox it. We're going to go down and put the PowerVision Vision PowerRay in the water today. And I think I'll just go ahead and use this chesty instead of putting you on my head. All right, here we are. I'm gonna get it in the water. Everything's tight. And there you go. All right. And there it is. Now in the water. Now, what I have here is the actual transmitter. Powered up. Okay. And that's going to now communicate with the transmitter. I've got to get this puppy on a cord. So we'll go ahead and fire this up. All right. I'm gonna fire this up. Yep. Let's see. I don't think we're connected yet. Device is not connected. Okay. All right. Okay. Says our device is not connected. All right.
Lady, you gotta lay in the mud. You ain't getting in my bed tonight.
I'm gonna get washed again, damn it. All right. Device is not connected. Come on. Might be now. All right, got her in the water. Trying to figure it out. Go forward. I got the lights. Let's play what? So you can drive underwater. Yeah, we gotta do something with that cable scenario. Not good. Come on. You can see I have a spider's web. Here we need to get it on a small, very small reel. I got enough to go around the pond right now. Yeah, you ain't lying, huh? Wish I knew. As you can see, it all worked great so far. I need to, I gotta transform back to these here. I gotta go to mask. Oh, all right. Well, that's not gonna fly. You're on here, so that's not gonna make a difference. Well, I guess so. Didn't see all that. I've got to change my things here. Jeez. Alright. Control settings. Back to that. Remote pair. And control S. CZF 6 digits. What the heck are you talking about? Remote pair. And I'm going to go goggles on this. Device is not connected. I didn't figure out how to connect it to this. Virtual. I'm not ready to lock the device yet. Now gonna have to read a little bit more up on it, figure out how to get her connected to this. So I got it connected to the main controller. So no. Go here. Alright. Uh-oh. You locked her. I wanted to do. Uh-oh. You locked the device. Gotta go back the other way. Alright, no go. What happened? Okay, slide to the left to cancel, slide to the right to confirm, to unlock. Okay. I gotta go that way. Okay, she's kicked in again. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It didn't work out the way I wanted to because I had the GoPro chesty on me. So of course all you're seeing is the iPad and you're not actually seeing the ray doing its thing. But the pond condition is so gray that there's no video underwater, and I haven't. This is the first time, of course, using this. So using the controller, I'm not controlling it, you know, the way technically I should be using it. You're hearing the spurts out the top like the whale. What it's doing is, if it's underwater, when that's spurting, it's keeping it at a level underwater depth. So we'll get this better, and thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next Searching for Behind the Scenes.
All right, we'll turn everything off. I was hoping I was going to use the headset on that, but we're getting down on our power here. Shut that down. Awesome. That's going to be a matter of getting all a freaking cable.